Welcome to Sunshine Academy of Sciences. This is Assistant Master Ramanelu at Sunshine Academy of Sciences. Listen here. Today in this session, I am explaining about basic concept from the chapter light. Here, before looking to the topic, please subscribe our channel to get more videos. Then here, light. Light. Then already we might have already everyone experiences about light. Without light we can't see any object. Without light we can't see any object. How do we saw the object? How do we see the objects? How do we observe the objects in our day-to-day life? For example, here when light emit from the source of the light emitted from the source, and then when it is reaches the surface of an object, I mean when light rays are incidents on the surface of an object, they get be reflected from that surface, and then human the reaches eye causes to sensation of vision. Human eye causes to sensation of vision. See here, light emit from a luminous object. Light emit from a luminous object. So it is a natural phenomenon. Light is a natural phenomenon which is emitted from the source of light when it is incidence on the surface of the object to get reflect from the surface of the object that light, and it reaches the human eye causes to sensation of vision. If it is not reflect from the surface, we can't see the objects. We can't sensation of the vision of that objects. So definitely when light for incidence on the surface of the objects, again it will be reflected and reaches the human eye. Then here one more thing, it is a natural phenomenon. Natural phenomenon. The study of light is called optics. The study of light is called optics. Then generally we play with some things like mirrors and then lenses like that. Later classes we discuss about them. First of all, it is a luminous object or luminous body. What is luminous object? What are luminous objects? What is luminous object? Luminous bodies. Okay, based on the emitter of the light, bodies, I mean substances or objects are classified into two types. First one, luminous bodies. Second one, non luminous bodies or objects. Luminous bodies and another one, non luminous bodies. What are luminous bodies? The bodies which emit light their own. They emit light their own. The objects that which emit light their own are called luminous bodies. Non-luminous bodies, the objects which does not emit the light on their own. Which does not emit light on their own. The objects or the bodies which does not emit the light on their own are called non-luminous bodies. Luminous bodies. What are luminous bodies? The objects or bodies which emit light on their own are called luminous bodies. The objects which does not emit the light on their own are called non-luminous objects. Non-luminous objects. These are the two types of classifieds based on the luminous bodies. Then again these are luminous bodies are classified into two types. For example here luminous bodies. What are luminous bodies? Luminous bodies emit their own light. For example, I consider sun. These are the examples. Sun emit the light. It's one. So sun is a luminous body. Then another one, torch. Torch also a luminous body. All stars. Stars also luminous bodies. Glowworm. It is also a small organism. It is also emit the light. It won't. Then another one, candle. These are luminous objects. Examples of luminous objects are sun, torch, stars, glowworm, candle, more are there, etc. Okay, non-luminous bodies. Non-luminous bodies. What are the examples of non-luminous bodies? For example, this whiteboard. This whiteboard is a luminous body or non-luminous body? It is a non-luminous object. It is a non-luminous object. Some of the examples of the non-luminous bodies are, for example here, see here, this whiteboard. I am not writing this whiteboard. And again some more examples, metals. Metals, non-luminous bodies. They are luster when light fallen on them. Okay, metal surfaces, then wood, planets. These are the some of the examples of non-luminous bodies. These are the some of the examples of non-luminous objects or bodies. Metals, wood, planets, these are non-luminous bodies. Then metals. It has a luster property. When light falling on them, they appear shining. They appear like as they emit the light, but actually they are not emit the